Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Venmo, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your Venmo account. If you don't have an account, sign up using your email or phone number. Next, navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select the Settings option from the menu. Scroll down until you find Privacy. Set your privacy settings to either public or friends based on your comfort level. Now, return to the main screen. Tap on the Pay or Request button. Enter the name, username, or phone number of the person you want to transact with. Type in the amount of money you wish to send or request. In the What's It For section, describe the purpose of the transaction. This message could include information about a product or service you're selling. If you're making a payment for a business transaction, ensure you select Business in the transaction type. Check for any additional details needed, such as a business category if applicable. Once everything looks good, tap Pay or Request to finalize the transaction. After making a payment, promote your Venmo information on your social media platforms. Encourage your customers to pay through Venmo for ease of transaction. Consider offering incentives, such as discounts or exclusive deals, for customers using Venmo. Regularly monitor your Venmo balance and transaction history to track sales. Use the insights from your transactions to adjust your sales strategies. Encourage customer feedback through the payment notes for future improvements. Continuously promote your Venmo account as a payment option in all your marketing materials. Review and update your offerings regularly to keep your customers engaged. Stay informed about Venmo's features and updates to optimize your sales strategy. Make sure to provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.